Hey yo, Curtieecool'S is back on this little scene, yo. Oh yeah, it's gonna be another beautiful day here in H-Town, baby. Curtieecool'S is keeping it all real. Yeah, that's it, baby. Keeping it all real, baby. I will tell y'all something, baby. If you want to keep a positive lifestyle, be smooth and cool, yo. Everything that you touch and do has to reflect on being a positive lifestyle. Everything is positive said. Everybody that you talk about is positive energy. If you want to do this or that, everything has to be on a positive note, y'all. You know, if you see a professional songwriter playing the piano, it can't be offbeat, baby. Every key has to be in note, baby. So, Curtieecool'S is saying, y'all, you are a reflection of your surroundings, what you attract, what you bring to the table. You have to learn how to project a positive energy in everything that you do. You know what I mean? If all people would come together, be happy, reflect a positive attitude. For once, nobody is doing all this negative energy, y'all, creating all of these negative vibes, saying all this negative stuff about other people, y'all. If people would come together in a positive vibe, y'all, and do everything in a positive way, there would not be any problems out here. But there's so many people out here, y'all, who is on their own little offbeat note until they cannot see the forest for the trees. Hey, y'all, Curtieecool'S out here, y'all. My life is based around keeping it real and keeping it positive, baby. And staying on top of your game. If you can learn how to treat all people with love, dignity, and respect, well, guess what, my friend? You don't have to worry about nothing in this world because life is all about love, baby. And treating all people with dignity and respect, you get back what you dish out. You dish out a whole bunch of nonsense, y'all, in people's lives, but that is what you get back. But if you project a positive energy with nothing but love, try that for once. Try it for once in your life, baby. And project a positive lifestyle with a positive energy every which way that you go, and watch people light up in your little circle, baby. Everything is positive, you know. You walk in the place, y'all, with a smile on your face. That don't necessarily mean that you have to be smiling at everybody. Not in this day and time. You can't be smiling at everybody, y'all. You don't know what people got on their mind in this day and time, baby. But if you project a positive energy everywhere you go, you know, without all that backbiting and creating all these problems, y'all. Hello, how you doing? You're checking out at the Courtesy booth. How you doing? Oh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm ready to pay up. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Life is beautiful. Thank you for the great customer services. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you project a positive energy everywhere you go, But see, there's a lot of people out here, y'all, who project a negative energy. And everything that comes out of their mouth is negativism. If it's not about manipulation and control, it's about how they could be on top and you be on bottom, and they could be the one who are manipulating and controlling everything. Y'all know what I mean? Why create a whole lot of drama in your life for yourself and for everybody else out here when you could keep it real within yourself, within your family, and everybody else, y'all? Just keep it real. If everybody, all people, would come together and create a positive, healthy relationship in a positive manner, nothing negative is said and done. Clean up all the mess, all this stuff, all this chaos that people do to other people. If people would come together and clean up all their mess, y'all. But first, they would have to start with self first, baby. Can't nobody clean you up like Mr. Clean or like Curtieecool'S, baby. Can't nobody clean you up. But you got to want to clean your little old self up, baby. Clean yourself up first. And be smooth and cool like Curtieecool'S, baby. Stop doing all this crazy stuff. Misusing and abusing people and taking advantage of folks. This world is not about that. Y'all know what I mean? Create a positive vibe everywhere you go. This is what life is all about. It is not about mistreating people. It is not about doing things your way because you believe who you are. A lot of people out here got life twisted. You know, it's all about who I am. I do things this way. It doesn't matter. But they want to totally disrespect people, other people, dog people out. Y'all know what I mean? This life, this world right now today is not about that, y'all. You get back what you dish out. You go around town mistreating people for the heck of it, that is what you get back. You dish out doing people wrong, people gonna come back at you. You dish out misusing and abusing, people is gonna come back at you. You dish out stealing, robbing, doing all this crazy stuff, people gonna come back on you, baby. Now, you always want to talk about, there's people out here who want to talk about, hey, they find every little fault that they can to try to bring out and put on you to destroy your character. In other words, just assassinate your character. And then they act like they don't know what's going on out here. Oh, so-and-so is this way and so-and-so is that way. No. The bottom line here is that people need to change all that negative energy, yo. You project and produce a whole lot of negative energy on people. And then when people stand up and speak their constitutional freedom of speech about, hey, look, that's not right what you're doing, how you mistreating me, how you doing people. Good example. I mean, look at the way Will Smith did Chris Rock. Now, we know that that was uncalled for. You got a grown-ass man who is a comedian. You know what I mean? I understand he made some jokes, y'all, but you did not care about, okay, you are at the award, receiving your award, but yet and still, Will just walk up to the stage and just punch the shit out of Chris Rock. You know what I mean? Now, that shows you a true narcissist who wants control over people. You know what I mean? I think if Will would have played it like, okay, Chris, if he'd have just walked up to the stage and just said, hey, okay, Chris, oh, you make this joke about my wife? Hey, Chris, and break out with a big old laugh. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, Chris, get off that rock, and then spin around and walked off the stage. You know what I mean? Everybody would have laughed at that. Hey, Chris, get off that rock. Not was, he would have been saying, you won't crack rock, but his last name is Rock. So, hey, Chris, get off that rock. And turn around and, in other words, flip the script back around on him in a positive way and laughed about it and walked off. But the worst mistake, what's his name? Will Smith could have did, but then spin off the dance floor. Spin off the stage floor and walk away. You know what I mean? Now look, you mess up your whole little old lifestyle, baby. It's not worth it. It's all about what you project and what you put out here, y'all, to destroy your own little self. You out here mistreating people, doing people wrong, that stuff will come back on you. You know what I mean? You project a negative lifestyle, negativism everywhere you go. You do not have anything positive. You got to reflect the positive. You cannot have a battery hooked up to your car and only hook up a negative. You got to hook up the positive end of the cable. Two negatives do not make a positive. You got to have the negative and then let the positive override the negative. So now, if people can learn how to overlook, bypass, rewire their little old mentality, y'all, and think on a positive note everywhere they go. Stop all that backbiting, all that lying, all that stealing, all that destroying, all that breaking people's character down, and just keep it real, baby. You know what I mean? On a positive note, keep it real. Y'all know what I mean? Practice what you preach. Don't be out here belittling other people and breaking folks down because of who that you think that you are. This is not what life is about. You got to treat all people with love, dignity, and respect. So project the positive energy everywhere you go. And this is the way that it should be every single day. If you want to do a whole lot of positive things in your life, everything you say and do, let it be with positive energy, positive likings. You know what I mean? That this energy just flows. Even if it's a whole bunch of negative stuff going on around you, let your positivism override the negativism. Y'all know what I mean? And this would be a better world today. But when people just get into these control modes, they're so selfish, evil, and wicked, and only thinking about themselves, baby, well, then you created that monster. You put that monster in your own little self, baby. You cannot go around mistreating people and taking advantage of people, disrespecting people, and then turn around and play the victim role. This is not what life is all about. You say you want a whole lot of positive things to happen in your life. Well, you must project a positive lifestyle, a positive vocabulary, a positive way that you treat people. It's not about tearing people down just to get your point across, just to manipulate and never educate, but tear folks down. It's not about this. Hey, y'all, this is Curtieecool'S. I wanted to come on once again, yeah, and be smooth and cool like I always do, like Curtieecool'S, baby. Hey, y'all have another beautiful day. Keep it real, keep it beautiful. Shine with love, peace, dignity, and respect, baby. Oh, yeah. And try the technique, baby. Just practice being positive everywhere you go. Everything you say, you're in the house, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love this, I love that. Oh, you're looking good. Oh, you take such beautiful care of yourself. I mean, everything is in a positive way with your kids. Hey, son. Hey, great. You're taking great care of yourself. Hey, daughter, you look good. You look like a model today. Hey, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud to be your father. I'm so proud of this, so proud of that. Everything is in a positive manner, yo. But see, with all that negativism, with manipulation, trying to control, tear folks down and break them down because you only want power and control, this is not what life is about. You see what I mean? Y'all have to set the groundwork together, put it together, and keep it real on a positive note, baby. Let it be a reflection of who you really, truly are. Not out here just only abusing and using the system for only what you can get. You know what I mean? It's people out here who does that, but it's not reflecting nothing positive. It's only reflecting their negativism and their frame of mind that they do not care about other people. And hey, I don't live that kind of lifestyle. I like to be happy on a positive note, keeping it real, free your spirit, free your mind, and being real and true to myself. And treating all people with love, dignity, and respect. And stop all this here hating on people and robbing, destroying, stealing, and messing up with people. You know what I mean? Manipulation. And then all you want to do is try to destroy their character because you are the ones who messed over these people. See, if you do not create a positive lifestyle, but you create a whole bunch of negative energy, but that energy reflects back on you what you dish out. You have to learn how to reactivate your positive energy and put it on that positive note and play in one key. You know what I mean? And keep it that way, baby. Stop acting so immature in your little old mind. You know what I mean? Never grow up. It's everything about being a bully and what you can get out of other people and how you can control and manipulate other people, y'all. It's not about that. You have to keep that positive note. If you can learn how to keep that positive note, but then everybody's happy. Let's see you get back what you dish out. You know what I mean? So all Curtieecool want to do out here, y'all, is just be happy, y'all. That's all I want to do. I don't have time for a whole lot of negative energy, especially at my age. That's not what I project. That's not my lifestyle. Everything around me is on a positive note. Even at my house, everything. Ain't nothing negative here at my house, baby. Everything is a positive note, baby. From the time I go to bed until the time I wake up, from the time I walk out the door, everything is on a positive note, baby. My lifestyle is not based around breaking other people down just to gain control over other people. My lifestyle is based around being in control of self, myself, my happiness, my peace, and everything that reflects on me can see my reflection that I am full of love, peace, and happiness out here. That I treat all people with love, dignity, and respect out here, y'all. This is what my life is all about. Not messing over people and destroying people's lives just for your own personal gain. That is not Curtieecool lifestyle, baby. So anyway, Curtieecool, you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. Hey, y'all take care of y'all. Curtieecool back on this little old scene once again. Y'all be good in the neighborhood. Curtie, that's Curtie.